Hi guys, it's Jack from Pro Insight, and today I'm going to show you how to use one of our Covert camera smartwatches available on the Pro Insight store. So for this one, to turn it on, just hold the bottom of the touchpad until it buzzes once. There we go. As you can see, the display now pops up, a very natural looking display, as you'd expect on any kind of smartwatch. There's obviously different kind of display icons, just tap the bottom to scroll through. You can link this up with an app, which will kind of display the accurate time and also kind of let you use some of these other options, but obviously not necessary if you're just kind of video recording, completely up to you. If we go to the other tab, to select it, just hold down the bottom again. And as you can see, one of our options is shutdown, so just how to turn off the watch, but obviously we don't want to do that. So let's go back, let's go to back, hold it down, let's go back to the main display. And yeah, so to start actually video recording on this watch, you just press, there'll be this button on the right, just press it once and you'll see one heart will appear, like so. This means it's in standby mode. So to start video recording, press it one more time, you see two hearts, it's now video recording. Obviously to stop recording, just press it once, you can see it goes back to one heart, standby mode. To audio record, just hold down that button while on standby mode for 3 seconds and let go. 2, 3, let go. You can see it's now 3 hearts. This means it's just audio recording. And then obviously click it once again to go back to standby mode. If you want to go off standby mode, just hold it down until that heart disappears. Like so. Obviously this comes with SD cards as well. To access the SD card, you just take the case off like so. And you can see that is where the SD card is, and this part is where you actually charge it. So just plug it into any USB charger and just charge it straight away.